Hi everyone, how you all? I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in this video to do an English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video, which is about shopping, right? And I'm going to speak on this topic. The particular topic is all about shopping is the favorite pastime for most of the young people. Why do you think is it? And why basically the other one is, do you think they should be encouraged to do some useful activities? So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak on this video. And so let's jump into this video without wasting our time, because that is a precious thing in our life. So I try to basically give the value of your time. So let's start it. Shopping is an important part of Indian culture. Many people buy household items on a daily basis. Nowadays social media has a strong influence on young people, and because of this they often go shopping very frequently. Many shopping trends are created online, and youngsters try to buy whatever is popular among their friends or trending on social media platforms. There are both advantages and disadvantages to this habit. In the beginning, many young people do not think about saving money. Later, they realize that buying unnecessary item was a wrong decision, and they regret wasting their money. Most of the younger generation does not think seriously about the future, so they tend to purchase every new product that enters the market. However, if people change their habit from spending more to investing more, they can achieve better result in the future. So saving and investing money can help them in their career, studies, and overall personal growth. In conclusion, shopping has its own importance because we need to buy essential item for our daily lives. However, avoiding unnecessary spending can help us saving money and use it more useful purposes. Buying unwanted things may give temporary happiness, but wise spending provides long term benefits. So this is the thing which I've written and I spoken in this video. And I think probably was I need to spoken more around like 2 minutes, because whatever I have write down over the notes, I've just spoken it. And there are a lot of things which I think probably I need to create the paragraph more lengthy, because I've spoken around 220 words, and within a like 1 to 2 minutes, 1.30 minutes. So I think for speaking more than 2 minutes, I need to create 500 words of topics. After that, I'm able to basically speak that. In the beginning of my career phase, I try to basically write down like 5 to 6 main topics, main words, which helps me to build generate content. But now I realize that after speaking around 500 words, I'm able to speak more than 2 minutes. So this is a harsh reality which I got to know nowadays. And yeah, I'm going to work on it to improve my speaking, because without having a lot of content in our cue card, we cannot able to speak contentfully, and we cannot speak in fluently, because we can stuck while not having a lot of thinking in our mind. So this is a basic thing. We need to grasp word more quickly, so that we can speak very easily, right? We need to have some sort of content in our mind. So for today's video, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it, so don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye.